I think as somebody who is very active and leads a busy life, one of the biggest benefits for me is it slows me down. It allows me in the evening before I go to bed to just spend 10 minutes, sometimes an hour, just relaxing, practicing mindfulness, thinking about goals, whether those be to do with exercise or just general life goals. It definitely helps my mental well-being, owning a spa. Kia ora everybody, my name's Lindsay and I live in Tauranga in the beautiful Bay of Plenty. I'm lucky enough to have a small lifestyle block pretty much in the centre of town. So we've got a few paddocks and beautiful views, perfect site for my spa. I decided that I should get a hot tub or a spa, mainly because it's my go-to relaxation, but also I'm a bit of a fitness freak and I tend to do quite a lot of long distance walking and running, and I just wanted it for recovery. I was recently training for the Oxfam 100k trail walker, and that involved 6 months of long walking. Basically every weekend ended up with me walking in different locations to get my body able to endure that event. So I found that the spa really helped with my recovery. I decided to choose the Fisher 2 Spa because I've only got a small location for it to be put in, and I liked the fact that it's a side-by-side spa. So me and my husband are able to sit next to each other basically, instead of a spa where you've got to be on opposite ends. So our location was quite difficult for the installers. We are down quite a long driveway, so the installation went far better than I expected. It was just one guy that came and did the installation, and I had a few volunteers to help, but it was pretty amazing. They did it really easily, and the whole setup process, I didn't really have to do anything. They did it all for me, made it very easy. So once the spa had been installed, the same guy spoke to me and gave me very clear instructions on how I look after it. And that was daily instructions, weekly instructions, and some things that I needed to do every 6 months or so. It was very easy to follow, and I found the process really easy compared to a spa that I had previously. I used to have an old second-hand spa that was a 4-person spa, and tried lots of different chemicals and different options, and I found it very difficult to maintain the water quality, and it was also very expensive to run. Now that I've got this brand new spa and I've been given instructions on installation, I've found it really easy. So the features that I like most about the spa are its size. It's nice and compact. Like I said, I like the fact that I can sit with another person and be kind of face to face rather than having feet in my face. I actually quite like the lights. So at this location, I'm quite lucky. I've got nice views to look out in the evening when I'm sat in the spa, and when it's dark, the light feature's quite nice. It makes it very atmospheric. I also do like the jets. They're very powerful, the jets. So I'm surprised actually that I use the spa probably more without the jets than I actually do with the jets on. Sometimes it's nice to just have a quiet, warm bath. So I definitely use my spa. I use it a lot. Some weeks I'll be in there every evening. Some weeks I might only go in 2 or 3 times a week, but it's definitely getting good use. So my advice for other people would be, if you are even thinking about getting a spa and you enjoy soaking in warm water, just do it.